Indonesia's balance of payments record surplus of $2.4 billion in the second quarter of 2022. Bank Indonesia says that with this development, the position of foreign exchange reserves at the end of June 2022 reached $136.4 billion. Bank Indonesia recorded Indonesia's balance of payment surplus of $2.4 billion in the second quarter of 2022, after a deficit of $1.8 billion in the previous quarter. Executive Director of the Communications Department of Bank Indonesia, Erwin Haryono, said that the performance of the balance of payments supports external resilience. With this development, the position of foreign exchange reserves at the end of June 2022 reached $136.4 billion, or equivalent to financing 6.4 months of imports and servicing the government's foreign debt. Bank Indonesia also recorded a current account surplus of $3.9 billion, or 1.1% of gross domestic product in the second quarter of 2022, a significant increase from the surplus in the previous quarter. The current account performance was mainly supported by an increase in the non-oil and gas trade balance surplus, in tandem with persistently high global commodity prices. On the other hand, the oil and gas trade balance deficit increased, which was influenced by increased imports in response to increased demand in line with increased community mobility, as well as high world crude oil prices. The primary income and services account deficits also increased in line with the acceleration of domestic economic activity and the payment of investment returns during the reporting period. Meanwhile, the capital and financial account in the second quarter of 2022 recorded a deficit of $1.1 billion, or 0.3% of GDP, improving compared to a deficit of $2.1 billion, or 0.7% of GDP in the previous quarter. IDX Channel reports.